If I was to talk now certain webinars and other things, okay. Now then you had good number of webinars also, and I'm very happy that anytime any link was sent to you, the presence and your participating in the webinars was in very good numbers. So that was again some inspiring thing for us also, so that we used to gather the information from anywhere or the other and used to share with you that please join this webinar. And the last that was by Mr. Vinay Kasturi and Mr. Atul Pulka on emotional intelligence. Because there were 6 other topics that were given to you, but I choose only this emotional intelligence, and they said it is only your school which has done this session, and we really are happy to do for you because 65 sessions they had already done for the different schools all over India, and this special session, because emotional intelligence is the need of the hour, and that has really more required now with this pandemic stage. Try to recall back anybody who has noted down the good points. Kindly share with all again, so that we do the revision of all these things and develop ourselves to be more emotionally stable people. And then comes your teaching through your mobiles to the students. How many of you really enjoyed teaching by that way? Many really enjoyed. You were enjoying to that more, or if you are being asked to teach from here, you have to just, because once
I enjoyed a lot because all the students were in the class. What happened? One and another student teasing one to another student. But here, all students are concentrated only on us.
so that was the thing, because teaching through the mobile was a very stressful aspect by you, because you are to focus yourself, you have to give expression also, you have to be ready with certain things where your hands are not so much free. For this, I asked certain teachers that please acquire certain gadgets and whiteboards also. Some of you have acquired, otherwise Mrs. Pallavi had given you a message also. To those teachers who want to acquire the whiteboards, please let us know, because we have tied up with somebody who could get very reasonably cheaper whiteboards. But the result was very less. Only 1 or 2 gave that they are ready. Because if you are not on the whiteboard, you are not able to deliver properly what you wanted. So, taking that into consideration, we have now developed your classrooms into a virtual classroom where you will be coming on the board, you will be helping, please sit up, please, it's quite a long time. So there will be IP cameras in front of you, you will be on the board, you will be utilizing your smart board, you will be utilizing your normal writing board. You may use your any props which or any gadgets or any aids, and that will be captured by those IP cameras and will be shared with your students, and student will also get an effect like he or she is sitting in the class, because the camera will be over here, you will be this side, and student will be on his or her screen will be receiving as like he is or she is there in the class. We have increased the bandwidth also for the broadband connectivity what we have taken from the BSNL, so that there is no time loss between yours and the students receiving. So this we have made an arrangement, and for which Palvi ma'am will be giving you at length how you are to use that facility and how you are to take the benefit, and so that your effective teaching is there. Because now is the time when we are to start with our real effective teaching. But still you can demo for how they will be managing. Only for instead of that, rest everything could be discussed with them. Then, yeah, in between one thing wonderful took place. Clap for Indrajit also. So how was it? It's the first time in the world maybe there is no school, at least I have heard, where this type of election investiture ceremony has been done online. So you can appreciate yourself that you are the part of the school which has done something total of its own kind. Maybe India or at least in Punjab at least. So it was a good effort, and with Indrajit on the running show, did very effectively everything, and it was appreciated by the press and media at very length. And then we had on 5th of July one other big activity, that was 11th blood donation camp. For this, Mr. Rishi and Mr. Himanshu, give the camera to somebody else. Capture the day. Mr. Rishi and Mr. Himanshu, they both made all the necessary arrangements. Rotary Bank Chandigarh approached us that we are in scarcity of blood. We want blood donation camp to be arranged by you. So we told them it is too early. So we took 2 weeks time. Then we started our process. Again it was of its own kind, where Google forms were sent to the prospective donors who could fill up those Google forms and get themselves registered. That was very specifically done so that we can maintain a social distancing and there is no waiting for those who have done this registration. We engaged 5 more various organizations in this area. One is our sisterly concern, that is Vivekanand Manav Seva Society in Kalka, Punjab. Then one was Rotary Hills, Punjab. Then there is one more new generation, that is Yuva Shakti Manch of this Punjab, 180 or 200 at a regular interval. So that was one activity which we did on last Sunday. And a good number of teachers who are over here, they volunteered, they performed their certain duties to make, please card all those who were there. So they came few days earlier also. Please sit down. They made all the arrangements on Sunday also. They were present to make this blood donation camp a success. Simultaneously, we did one more activity on that day. Because we believe patriotism is the first thing which we are to get in ourselves and further pass it on to our students by saying the patriotism. Patriotism is love for your country, love for your all fellow beings, love for everything which belongs to this nation. And human is the first thing which is the asset of any nation. So we have to take care of the human and the people who take care of this country. That is our military, that is Army, Air Force and Navy. So on that day, we invited Brigadier C.K. Sood, who is the father of Shaheed Major Anuj Sood, who made his life on 2nd May 2020. And simple phone call I did to Brigadier Sood that we want your presence, but simultaneously something I kept on speaking, that was if we want to install something in his name and all these things. I don't know what I spoke. Then later on I shared with Palvi ma'am and there were few other people, so that this is I want to do in the school. For Major Anuj Sood, and I have discussed with his father also. And his father very readily accepted that he will be over here. Then a good write-up and the various things that will be done in this Major Sood's Major Anuj Sood's memory will be done in the school. So we named that Shakti Club. So Palvi ma'am made a very good things that will be done. Please appreciate Palvi ma'am for it was not only something which is a formal, it is something which is from the heart we want to do, and especially we want to imbibe in our children against patriotism and high regards for the people who are taking care of our boundaries, who have made life for our country. They are to be very well recognized.